This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Caroline Badgett. Rare opportunity in Williamsburg Manor. Fabulous end unit with 2-car garage. Main level has a great open floor plan with hardwoods throughout. Kitchen with stainless steel appliances, gleaming granite counters and ample cabinetry. Cozy family room with fireplace to warm yourself on a chilly night. Outdoor patio with privacy. Main level bedroom located just off family room. Second level features oversized master bedroom with amazing closet, and ensuite with jetted tub and shower. Second bedroom with its own ensuite and laundry room conveniently located with the bedrooms. See the walkthrough video to see how well this floor plan flows. For more information, review the details below or contact Caroline Badgett at 865-966-1111.